Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For the first time on my channel, I'm going to be doing a decorate with me slash like Christmas decor haul, and I'm so excited. I love Christmas so much, but I usually never decorate my room for Christmas because in my old place, my room was so small and just packed of stuff that there was really no room to decorate or add things, and it was just very chaotic, so I really never had the desire to decorate it. But if you guys have been following my channel for a little while now, you would know that I did move back in March. So I now have my own beauty room along with my bedroom, and my beauty room has so much space. I have like 3 shelves of just straight up decor that I can decorate for Christmas. I also have room for a tree, which is so exciting. I love Christmas trees and I've never had one in my room, so I'm very excited about that. This was kind of spontaneous, like I wasn't expecting to do this. I bought a couple like decor pieces for the background of my video, and then for my bedroom I bought like a very small mini tree that I decorated because I didn't think I would have room for a tree in there. And that was all I was gonna do, but I really wanted to decorate for Christmas. It's just very expensive buying decor because I did not own any decor, therefore I had to buy everything new. So I dropped like $700 on decor in the last couple days. It's still kind of like, whew, shocks me a little bit, but I'm really happy with everything I got. And this year has just been so crazy, and Christmas is my favorite time of year, and with everything going on, it's just not going to be the same regardless. At the rate that we're going, we might not even be able to spend it with any like friends or family or anything like that. So it's going to be a different year, and this is at least something I can do to bring some of that Christmas joy into my space and, you know, still make me happy for the holidays and enjoy what I can regardless of everything that's going on. So yeah, I went a little crazy. I might have to split this into 2 videos, but I'm going to try my best not to. So I guess you guys will find out if I am or not. I'm hoping to just put it in one and not take too long. But the first part of this is going to be the haul. I really wanted to be able to show you guys everything I got and tell you where everything is in case you have any questions, because there is a lot. And then the second part is going to be actually decorating with me, so showing you where I put everything and all of that kind of stuff. Yeah, I'm filming this on separate days as well. I'm gonna film the haul tonight and then decorate tomorrow, because I think if I were to do it all in one day, it would be way too much. So you'll see I'm gonna have a different appearance tomorrow. Also, some exciting news. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. So I recently hit 4,000 subscribers, which I'm so thankful for, and I wanted to give back. I've been planning for this for a little while now, so I've been like putting some things aside for it. So I'm gonna put a picture on the screen here of everything that you can win in the giveaway, and I will have all the details down below on how to enter and the qualifications and everything like that. So make sure you go check the description box if you want to enter the giveaway. And yeah, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Like, I appreciate it so much. I love making videos, and it just is so rewarding to see there's so many people out there that love my channel and subscribe to my channel and stick around, and I just appreciate it so much. And yeah, if you want to enter that giveaway, make sure that you check the description box. Other than that, we're just gonna kind of get into it. So I really tried my best to organize things so that it was a little bit like less chaotic. I don't know how well that went. I have so many bags here. I'm just gonna start grabbing some stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with some tree stuff because that stuff I did organize. Like I said, I have my beauty room and I have my bedroom. So I bought a tree for my beauty room, and then for my bedroom, because I was unsure if I was even gonna have space, I decided to just use an old tree that we had that we no longer use. It's not the best, but for this year it'll do. I was not about to buy 2 trees. So the tree that I bought for my beauty room, so hopefully you can kind of see there what it's gonna look like. Obviously you'll get to see later on what it looks like in person, but yeah, I just thought it was cute. I really love the flocked look. So I was really excited to find that for only $40, and I got that at Walmart. Alright, and then I have a bunch of decor for it. I am so excited to decorate my tree. It's gonna be so much fun. And like I said, I do have 2 of them. So for my beauty room, my theme colors are gold, pink, and like white/marble. And then for my bedroom, it's silver, pink, white slash marble. So I tried to keep those colors in mind when finding decor for the rooms, and you'll see that kind of play along in the haul. So for the beauty room, I got this garland here for my tree. This I got at dollar store. It's white and it has some pink on it, and I just thought this was pretty and a little bit different than just plain gold. I did get a regular gold one at first, and then I like this one more, so I changed my mind. And then for my bedroom, I have this one. So it's silver with some blue in it, and I think this one's really pretty as well. So those are both from the dollar store. And then for ornaments for my beauty room, I got this set from Walmart. Comes with 26 for only $9, and it caught my eye because it has some pink ones in there, has the white, it has the black, which I'm not really a fan of, but other than that, I really like everything in here. So I picked that up. I wasn't sure if that was going to be enough or not, so I picked up another set from HomeSense. This one was $17, and you get 16 in here, but they are larger ones, which I kind of liked having like the different sizes. So these ones have a lot of glitter on them. They have pink. These ones are kind of like a light gold, and then these ones are silver. So other than the silver, the set matches really nicely. And then for the tree in my bedroom, I got this set. I think I found this at Marshall's or Winners, but this is a Sleigh Hill set of 100 shatterproof ornaments. So there's just this big bundle. I thought it was perfect because it means I only have to buy one set. It has plenty enough for the tree, and it has silver, it has white, and it has red. I'm gonna add lots of pops of red into both of the rooms because I feel like red is very Christmassy, so I thought this would be perfect. And I like, again, that they have a variation of sizes, so I think it's gonna really look nice on the tree. Now, I did also buy a tree skirt, but I don't think I'm gonna keep this one. So I got this at Walmart, and I really like it. It's just a simple gold one, and it has like glittery snowflakes on it. It was $15. The thing is my tree is small. It's only 4 feet, and I don't think I need this large of a tree skirt, but I literally could not find smaller ones anywhere. So yeah, I bought this. It's 48 inches, and then I ended up finding something a little bit smaller at the dollar store. I want to say it's like 36. I'm gonna end up taking this one back just because I know it's gonna be too big, especially for the space that I'm putting it in. It's not gonna even have enough room to like fully be out, so I might as well save a few bucks and just take it back if I know it's not really gonna work. I have a bunch of things that I got like at the dollar store, just like little tree decorative pieces. So I got a tree topper for, this one's gonna be for the beauty room from the dollar store. Again, I went to Walmart and I saw some, but they didn't have any that were the right size. They were either too large or too small. So this was perfect, and it's gold and pretty and glittery. Next, from the dollar store, I picked up these two very beautiful pink flower like clip-on things. You can put them on the tree. I picked up 2 sets of gold ornaments from the dollar store because I noticed that in the ones that I purchased there wasn't really any gold, and I did want to add some gold onto the tree, so I just picked up these ones. I picked up 3 boxes of these little, I don't even know what you call them, they're like little red clusters. I have 2 in the red, and then I got 1 in gold. So these 2 are gonna be for the beauty room, and then I got 1 pack for the bedroom. I have a ton of these like glittery clips. So this one is just gold. I got it from Walmart. This one is also from Walmart. And then I have 2 of these ones, the pink and the gold, which are one of my favorites. I just think they're so beautiful. I have 2 of these little glittery arrangement things to just kind of stick in the tree, also from Walmart. I have these gold bells, some more pink flowers. I got 2 sets of silver ones for the bedroom, and then also some red ones. This is the tree topper for my bedroom, and then I have 2 of these bells in silver for the bedroom, and then I bought 4 of these like glittery pieces that you can just kind of put in the tree. So that covers like the tree decorations. I have a bag here from the dollar store. So I got this table runner. It's just a simple like cream color. I don't know if you can tell, but it does have like a gold like shimmer prints on here, and I'm gonna put that kind of on my desk area. This is the tree skirt I got from the dollar store. So like I said, this one is 36 inches, a lot smaller than the one I got, and I mean, I wish it was a different color than the red, but I think it's gonna work out a lot better and a lot cheaper. It was only $4, whereas the Walmart one was $15. I picked up this gold reindeer from the dollar store. Also this little red flower arrangement. I actually got 2 of them. The other one's in another bag somewhere. So I'm kind of extra, and I got this wreath, and this is literally the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. I'm so obsessed with this. This was $24.99, and I want to say this I found at Winners. Oh my gosh, it's just so pretty though. I cannot wait to put this up. And then this one I'm gonna not completely show because I don't want to fully take it out, but I got this garland at Winners as well. You can kind of see, so it is flocked and it is decorated with bulbs. It has gold and pink, which was perfect, and it also lights up. So I just thought it was so pretty. I want to say this was $34.99, but I really wanted a nice garland to go on top of my shelves. I think that's going to look so pretty, and when I saw that it lights up too, that got me so excited. So next I have this little snowman plant arrangement. This one I got at Winners, and I want to say it was like $9.99, probably around there. That's going to be in my bedroom. At the dollar store, I got this little light up lantern, a white little snowflake. Super cute. And then I got this silver garland. This I'm putting around my TV. I also have this really beautiful silver glittery tree looking thing for my room. And I also have it in this like rose gold color as well for the beauty room. I have this little silver glittery tree for my bedroom, and that was from the dollar store. This is kind of hard to show. I have this little tree here. This was $34.99. I want to say I found this one at Marshall's. I liked it because again it's flocked and it has the touch of the red berries, which is a very simple white pot, so I really liked that. I also picked up some Christmas lights for my bedroom. However, I got the wrong one, so I'm going to need to exchange them. The ones I want are colorful, whereas these are just the warm white light, so I'm going to exchange it tomorrow. This you also would have seen in my background of my videos. So it's this beautiful gold vase here with this beautiful red flower arrangement. And this I got at Winners. So I picked up a bunch of flowers because on top of both of my Alex 9 drawers, I have 2 different flower arrangements. So I'm going to change those to be a little more festive. So I bought just a bunch of different like red flowers here to fill up the vases. I got them from the dollar store because your girl's trying to do it on a budget, and I was not about to pay like $10 per flower at Michael's because Michael's is so overpriced. So yeah, I just got these. Do they look as high quality and as nice? No, but they're only going to be up for a month, so it's fine. And then I got this vase here, which is not necessarily for holidays, but I just thought this was so beautiful for my beauty room. This was only $12.99 too, which was a steal, and it's just beautiful. And then I have this here. So I saw a little like TikTok DIY type thing, and it was like in a big glass jar like this. You fill it up with some Epsom salt to make it like look like snow, and then you put the little trees, and it's so cute. So I wanted to do one of my own. I got this little sign here. This says "Let it sparkle, let it snow," and this was only $6.99 at Winners. Next thing I have is this white flower arrangement, which is really pretty and very simple. It kind of looks like it's crystallized and like snow hit it. This was $19.99. I want to say I found this one at Marshall's. This little guy I got at Walmart. It's supposed to be a tree ornament, but I'm just going to have it as like a little decorative piece, and it lights up, which is super cute. I got this little flower arrangement. It has some like glittery gold decor here with the nice red. I thought it was really pretty and like simple. This was $9.99, and I found this at Winners. From Marshall's, I got this little tree. It has gold and it's kind of like flocked looking again, and I like that it was kind of like already decorated. And this was $12.99. Next I got this oil diffuser. This is Christmas tree, and this is what it looks like. I thought it was just really pretty, And I'm going to put this in my bedroom as well. I liked that it had like the little silver touch there, and it's also going to make my room smell nice. And this was only $9.99. I got this sign that says Believe in gold for like $7.99 at Marshall's. I picked up some packs of these like flower pieces that I'm gonna put in with the red flowers to add some more color. They're all glittery and pretty, and these were all from the dollar store. This little arrangement I got at Marshall's for $12.99. Next, I got this gold gift box. I just thought this was so beautiful, so I was like, definitely I'm using that for decor. And this was at Winners. Alright, I bought 2 snow globes. So I have this one, which is going to be for my beauty room because it has like rose gold glitter in it. But just very simple and so pretty. This was $24.99. Oh, I love it. And then I got this one here for my bedroom, and I was so excited because it actually lights up. So super pretty, except for the fact that it sings and does not stop unless you turn it off. So unfortunately, I cannot have it lit up without it singing, and I really don't want it to be singing. So I'm disappointed. I like it regardless. Like, I liked it not just for the lights. All right, we only have a few more things. This one I got at Winners, so very similar to that other one I got, but this one I'm gonna put in my bathroom. It's like cream color with the white. I feel like it's coming off very yellow on camera, but it's really not yellow in person. I got another little oil diffuser for the bathroom. I like that it has like this ombre to red glass here. I thought that would add like a nice little touch of red into the bathroom, so there's a little bit of Christmassy look in there. This was $9.99 at Winners. I got this little snowman flower arrangement. It has the red and the gold, and this was $9.99 at Winners. Then I got this face cloth set, so it comes with 2 of them. It was $8.99, and then on here it says joy, love, Mary, believe, gratitude, 'tis the season. And I like this one just because it was simple. Like, it had the white, so it had those neutrals and just little pops of color with the red and the gold and the silver. So I thought that would be nice to just kind of have on display. This isn't like really for Christmas, but like it kind of goes with it. I picked this up at Bath & Body Works, and it's just a soap holder. And it's so cute. This was $12.95, and it's just silver and glittery. I did not know they make these, and I was so excited when I saw it because I love the Bath & Body Works soaps, but like the colors just don't go with my theme, you know? So this is perfect to kind of hide it and be super cute. I did get a bath mat from Walmart. This was $9.98. So it just says let it snow. It is gray with white, so very fitting to my current theme, but just a little bit more Christmassy. I wasn't originally going to get a bath mat because I saw them at Winners for like $30. I was like, I'm not paying that much for a bath mat. But then I saw this for $10. I was like, that's perfect. All right, next, I'm very excited about these. I got some stockings. These are going to be so cute. So these were $19.99 each. I thought these would look so cute like on my wall. I kind of want to have them in the background of my videos, so I picked those up. Next, I picked up a pillow. This is going to be for the chair I'm actually sitting on for my beauty room. It's just a snowflake. I like the white just because I thought it would tie down like with the blanket that I got. So I got this at HomeSense for $29.99. And then the very last thing I got is a blanket. So I got this one here from Marshall's, and this was $24.99. Honestly, the material of this feels so nice. Like, I would definitely use this. But I like that it has the red, it has some gray, some white. So it has that pop of color, but like the neutrals as well. And then I think that white pillow will just go nicely with it. So yeah, that is everything that I bought to decorate with. I am so excited. So that is it for part 1 of my Christmas decoration video. I will have part 2 up very shortly where I actually do the decorating, but I just really wanted to show you guys everything that I got. And I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything and like the inspiration. I find it's really fun watching people decorate and just like all the different types of themes that people have. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.